Hi there, this is Adventure Man, Pandit Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi on Virendra DR channel. And probably first time in the history of BB Nagar, Telangana state of India, you are having the view of the panoramic mandal of BB Nagar. This is the railway junction, BB Nagar railway junction, and you see the flyover on the railway track. And then that road is joining the service road, and above that you see this is Warangal highway, and further you go then you see the BB Nagar lake. Very remarkable, wonderful. And you see the tower, BSNL tower there, BSNL office there. And on that service road you will find Axis Bank, State Bank of India. And my friends, here in this other side you will find this is Bambino Vermicelli. This is the solar energy tapping source, and here is the office where they are producing some sorts of food items. You see, this is the factory, Vermicelli Bambino. You can see the board there. And if you go further in the heart of the East City, you will find a house there. I think you are able to see that. That is belonging to one of the most adventurous and powerful men of the globe, Pandit Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi Om Shanti Ashram, triple-story building. And adjoining that you will find the Non-East City office, which is governing some thousands and thousands of acres of land. And this panoramic view you are seeing, entire is Non-East City, my friends. It is nothing but only Non-East City, extending up to Angshapuram, and beyond then you can reach Somaram. And my friends, I am very proud to show you this beautiful place. It is very rare view you are seeing today. Nobody can dare, nobody can show you. And if you see the other side, that is called Shyam Lab, Laurus Group, spread all over the world. And then you see a tower which is really water supplying to the neighboring villages. In BB Nagar Mandal there are 27 villages. And this is a small town coming up. You see the construction is huge. This is new BB Nagar, my friends. And other side you see the old BB Nagar where you have Gram Panchayat, registration office and so on and so forth. The railway line is only dividing the old and the new BB Nagar town, friends. Yes, very remarkable people you will find here. Honorable Mr. Pingal Reddy sir, Honorable Surendra Reddy sir, Dr. Satyanarayana sir. I am focusing my camera exactly on Yasodhya Hospital. You see, there is a man who is one of the most renowned and powerful physician. His whole family is physician. Sunil, surgeon, great surgeon, MBBS, MS, MCS. Dr. Soni, now in Boston, city of America, great physician. And their partners are also great. Dr. Hari, one of the great. So this BB Nagar has the privilege to honor and host a lot of great people, my friends. Here is Mr. Karthik Reddy. You see something blue, that is Nature Cure Hospital. The chairperson being Mr. Karthik Reddy. Friends, all are wonderful. Everything is remarkable. Everything is enchanting and fascinating, friends. Last but not the least, I want to bring your kind attention to the pride of BB Nagar. Of course, one is lake. Then you see the huge structure coming up, 30-story and beyond. All India Institute of Medical Sciences is coming. Still the construction is on, nothing has been completed. It is on the bank of the BB Nagar lake. In Telugu we call Chirvu. It's wonderful. So this is brief about wonderful town or mandal or village, what you say, Bibinagar. Very busy, you see railway, goods train moving, Warangal highway, cars are flying. I really remember New York City when I was there. It was really very magnificent, but not less than that is Bibinagar. Active, living city, always breathing fast. And you will be surprised to know from where I am videography. Nobody can dare. I was one of the contingent of Bachendri Pal when she was climbing Mount Everest. And so I am there on the top of the water tank of Gram Panchayat, just as the gate of Narni city, the stern gate you can see, very clearly you can see. Some advertisement of also Narni is there, and this is the gate. So there is one water tank. From there I am videography. This is a very old water tank. Nobody can dare because everything is broken here. But I challenge death, a fearless man. Vini Vidhi Vici, I came, I saw conquer. This is my attitude. Nothing can frighten me, nothing can threaten me. You see the example, Om Shanti Ashram is in the heart of the forest. I stay there. But my friends are there. Lot more friends, and they are very loyal, and they are dogs. Caravan hound, once pet by Shivaji Maharaj, Maloji Rao from Karnataka. They are my companions, Doberman, Rottweiler, varieties of dogs. Nobody can dare. If they go, they will invite sudden death. But I am the most ferocious friends of everyone. I love everyone, I respect everyone, I care for everyone. My strength is love. I believe only in love. Disciple of Buddha and Vivekananda. I teach the whole world the lessons of love, the gospels of love. Save nature and also be growing faster and better. Thank you, friends. This is Pandit Fakir Yogi telling you bye-bye, best of luck, think good, be positive, be creative. Thank you, viewers.